What's going on, everybody? As always, it's a blessing to be here, and you're here with Crypto E, and I appreciate you guys for tuning into this video with UL Exchange. And today's video, we'll be talking about the crypto recovery as a whole, and we have some exciting XRP news and some cyber criminal adventures that we'll be taking a look into, and how to protect ourselves from these cyber attacks that are occurring, especially in the crypto markets every single day. By that being said, guys, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, as always, we're taking a look at the whole cryptocurrency market cap. It's currently at $1 trillion. Clap to ourselves. It's a blessing to see it above 1 trillion. It's a good look. Yep, it's a good look as well. So it's $1,037 billion. Yesterday it was at $1,016 billion. So we're still up consistently. 24-hour volume, $108 billion. Ethereum dominance, Bitcoin dominance, hovering around the same thing. Ethereum gas fees, 53 Gwei. And as you guys know, Ethereum is coming with the bridge of proof of work to proof of stake with Ethereum 2.0, and it is expected to come on September 19th of 2022 this year, in about 2 months. So that was a big rally for Ethereum, but there was also some short for Ethereum that got liquidated over $208 million. So that gave it a push up. But we're just taking a look at the whole cryptocurrency market cap, and it is good to see Bitcoin above 20K, currently sitting at 22,000. Ethereum is sitting at 1,500, and then XRP is at number 6, replacing Binance USD by 17,637,000,000 market cap. And you guys can see it's about $100 million difference between these two market caps, but XRP have been crushing it, and over the 7-day period it's up 16.88%, almost 17%. So let's just get straight into the trading view charts. So you guys can clearly tell by the trend that's currently happening, and I'm not sure how long this will last because we do have resistances, heavy strong resistances coming up, but the trend, you can clearly tell that it's a higher highs and higher lows trend over here. It's going up, unlike the trends that we've been seeing here previously. But again, it tried the higher highs, higher lows. XRP got rejected before at 35 cents, and now it has surpassed 35 cents and it's been having a resistance facing at 36 cents. So just 1 penny above it, and the next resistance level will be around 38 cents, so 2 penny above. But we can see on the 4-hour chart that it is definitely an upward momentum, as you guys can see this chart right here. And even if we go on the daily time frame and we zoom in, let me zoom in, okay, you guys can see it broke above the daily 50 EMA moving average, and now it has went down to test it, but it has rejected it, which is a great sign, showing us that it's probably going to keep going up. But with this lawsuit at hand and not a significant change, even though XRP is predicted to win in this lawsuit, we still need this to be completely eradicated so the price can see higher highs. So XRP is doing well, but the leader of all cryptos, Bitcoin, is doing well as well. But again, Bitcoin faces a major resistance, which is still the 50 moving average at 23K, and still that's 2 confirmations, with the 50 moving average being number 1. There's actually 3, the RSI being number 2, and then the third one being the trend line of the resistance level. You guys can see it tapped it 4 times basically since it started. This was the first rejection, second rejection, third rejection, and then the 4th rejection, which is currently going on, which is facing around 23,017. It needs to surpass this, because once it surpasses this, there is nothing holding it back. Maybe a little bit of rejection around 25,000, but maybe a little bit of resistance actually around 25,739. But it's not looking like it's a heavy resistance. It might just get wicked all the way from current price of 22,300, so it can go straight all the way to 28,505 with no problems. But it does need to surpass this 23,200 level for it to do that. So it is facing some resistances where it's currently the price is at, but it's very nice to see that even since the start of June 18th, it has been making an upward momentum trend, as you guys can see it here. And we don't want it to come down to 19, but it could do that if the resistance level over here is too strong. So let's get into the XRP news. Congrats to all XRP holders because Jed McCaleb emptied all his XRP wallets, which I have spoke about this in my previous video. If you're interested in that, take a look at it. I'll put it in the right corner. But that's it, guys. Over $394,000 worth 1.1 million XRP have been liquidated and they have been closed. Let's get into another funny news about XRP, which is by Peter Brandit. To be honest, I have not heard of this individual until I did my research currently when this article came out. So he calls XRP garbage, and let's see what his take is on it, because I definitely have something to say about this. So, quote unquote, he said, just goes to show that even garbage can make a person a billionaire, end quote. The veteran charitist tweeted. And he was also saying this. Peter Brandit had repeatedly stated that XRP cryptocurrency is an unregistered security. With that being said, Brandit said that he was still open to owning the cryptocurrency, quote unquote, under the right circumstances. So under the right circumstances in his eyes is when the lawsuit is over. So if he's keen to owning it, you know, a little birdie told me, this is maybe allegedly, you know, I don't know what's going on, but this is allegedly what I heard, that he still owns XRP and he wants the price to go down. What a criminal and sinister move this man is playing. But he's probably just fudding a lot of people out so he could probably scoop some more, like Jed McCaleb when the price was extremely low. Even though he's not being given XRP by Ripple, he wants to scoop it on the low price because he's still open to owning the cryptocurrency. So under the right circumstances, for his eyes is when the lawsuit is over, and for most of the people's eyes is when the lawsuit is over because they're scared of going against the big SEC, the fake SEC, allegedly, because they're not supporting or they're not helping what they're meant to do, which is keep the investor first hand. But this guy called it, you know, cryptocurrency is a scam back in 2020, and also so-called, they said, predicted the US Securities and Exchange Commission would sue Ripple. So if he predicted this, then, and he's still open to owning the cryptocurrency, which is XRP, then he definitely knows something that's going on, and he has his hands in the right place, but his mouth in the wrong place. So James K. Fillon tweeted this saying, XRP community, SEC versus Ripple, court approves parties sealing request regarding emissary motion to participate in challenge to SEC expert. Unsealed versions must be filed by tomorrow, July 19th. Emissary must reply to the SEC objection to their participation by Monday, July 25, which is next week. So we'll be waiting on that, which is just one more week to stand. And let's just end this with a little funny thing before we move on to the FBI warns hackers. Look at this. Ripple itself published an article saying this, that Jed McCaleb, the ongoing saga, Jed was required to donate 2 billion XRP to a charitable donor advisor fund of his choice, but all his taco stand is finally out. And then Brad Garlinghouse tweeted this. Tacos, anyone? JK, the stand is closed, which is a beautiful thing to see if you're part of the XRP community. We are done waiting for this man to dump his bags. There's no more dumping from him, and we don't need him in this community, to be honest. Unless he's just gonna buy and hold, we don't need that kind of, you know, pressure just looking at XRP dropping, even though he wasn't pushing the price down because they agreed upon selling a 1% of the volume at maximum if he was selling, which doesn't really hurt the XRP price, but still, we're just so tired of waiting for this man to finish. Now he's finally done. And ending this video was FBI warns hackers are using fake crypto apps to defraud investors. So always, as I always say, guys, stay vigilant in these markets, especially in the crypto markets, because there's so much criminal activity going on. You have to be vigilant wherever you're doing. The FBI says that cyber criminals have been using these apps with increasing success to defraud investors, and estimates that roughly $42.7 million have been stolen for 244 victims in an 8-month window between October 2021 and May 2022. In one particular case, cybercriminals posed as employees of the company Yeebit, which is funny because the company's a cryptocurrency exchange that went out of business in 2018, and using fake apps, the criminals stole about 5.5 million from 4 different victims. And you know what's kind of funny is people still don't understand if it's too good to be true. leave it alone. That has been going on for a long time, but people always get fooled. Is it really that hard to even type in Webull on Google or any search engine just to see, hey, what is this company about? And you can clearly see that it went out of business in 2018, you know. But most people in this world are gullible, and this will keep on happening forever. This is just a fact that people will always be defrauded out of their money forever. That's why you don't want to be on that side. As sad as it is, you always have to stay vigilant in whatever market that you are pursuing. So, because there are many people trying to take your money as well and take advantage of you. By that being said, guys, I'm Crypto E. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. We're out. I'll see you guys in the next video. God bless. Peace out.